Karibu sana to this YouTube channel. In case it's your first time here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. For the return back subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting my channel. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell us how you find this video. You can as well give us an idea of the next video. Today I am at a new place. I'm with a friend.
Hey! Hello sweetie, how are you? Welcome to our today's video. We are ready to teach you something new, so stay tuned. We are with you up to the end.
Yeah. So her name is Mary. Mary is a friend. So we are going to do something fantastic, something amazing. Ensure you follow me on Instagram at maureenshany.
At marywanjiru.
So guys, let's do this. So basically we're going to cook cake and Mary is going to teach us the whole process on how to bake a queen cake. Ensure you don't miss this because it will be interesting. Sasa girl, able to be ingredients in your corner and what we need for a queen cake.
So for a simple cake, you just need eggs, milk, flour, cooking oil, vanilla essence or strawberry.
So this is the vanilla essence.
Yeah,
How much
you can see
cost?
it's written vanilla essence. So at a normal cost is 180 for the big bottle. So you can also use the strawberry flavor. So, and you must have the cupcakes, innings,
nice.
the peppers. Yeah. And
okay.
yeah.
So how do we mix? I've never done this before.
I know. It's just a simple procedure. So I'm going to take you through how to make simple queen cakes. You eat them at the shops here in Kenya, so you can try my recipe and also bake with it. Then you give us the feedback.
Yeah,
right?
It's true.
Yeah, we are waiting for the feedback. Okay. So we are going to start with the eggs. So I'm going to use.
I help you.
Yes, I'm going to use 3 eggs. Yes, just 3 eggs.
This is how people beat eggs.
To beat eggs.
No chop on my eyes.
So that they can.
For the people who are watching from other countries, beat is beating. Chopper is chopper. And behind the scenes is Mary. I'm supposed to beat.
Who's Mary?
No, don't first.
I don't mix first.
Then you're going to add milk.
Oh, behind the scenes is.
You're going to add milk, like 1 cup.
1 cup.
So you can add milk according to how you want your cake to be. If you want it to be big, the mixture now.
No, what do we do next? We mix. So I'm rushing.
Kierere ndo hiyo.
Then you input the salad oil.
It's supposed to be
like half a cup.
Half a cup.
Yeah. Then we
and
add sugar.
What if I'm poor at measurement?
No, you're just going to measure according to whatever that you're using. Then we the sugar.
The us.
Sukari.
Shine.
Sukari.
It's just like
half a cup.
Half a cup. You can use more if you like sugary things. Then
I want more sugar.
Then from there you can use your hand mixer.
Oh,
we call it a hand mixer.
So I don't even need to mix with a spoon or something.
You mix.
Amazing.
How you mix? Like for 2 to 3 minutes. You know, milk and oil do not mix, but they mix. And just
like this.
Sorry?
It's fun.
Just take your time. work. So our mix is already ready. So the next step,
Kizungu too already ready.
the next step we are going to add our flour. You can
Our
use,
unga.
yes,
See flour.
our flour.
Whatever. You know these things depend on who taught you in your primary.
You can add
Kama
like 2
ulienda
cups.
academy, primary, nursery.
So you only add 2 cups for a half a sugar.
No, like you can
Kindergarten.
just input your own ingredients the way you want your
The way
cake
you
to
want your
be.
cake to be.
Yeah.
Mi na
Then you
mayangu
add baking
kibako.
powder,
Hey. 1
like
spoon.
1.5.
1 teaspoonful. Half.
Then you can use a mwiko to stir the mixture.
Why didn't I use this one?
The flour is quite hard, so for a mixture I just use liquid things most of the time, but I can still use it.
Oh, sour. Oh, how hard is it supposed to be?
Not very hard, not very soft.
Guys, ensure you subscribe to sheeanjiru's YouTube channel. She does music and she's behind the camera.
Photographer of the Year awards goes to sheeanjiru.
Sorry.
Music of the year award goes to
Sheeanjiru.
So it's ready.
Then we add the essence now
Oh,
for flavor.
I had forgotten about it. She nilikwambia kitu mitabako naye.
You can add like 2 or 3
Hizo zimekuwa 5
for better taste.
Okay.
Yeah.
So essence kazi yake ni better taste.
No, inatoa harufu ya mayai.
Okay, it removes.
Yeah.
Speak that English.
It eliminates
The smell
the
of
odor.
the egg.
The odor. Inasema
Odor.
nasema odor.
Situ inanuka jamani.
Yanuka poa.
Wow. I feel like eating it already.
So our mix is ready. Ready for cooking. Sorry, for baking.
The cake, the normal cake, we use the same procedure.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see the mixture is very light.
Viscosity.
It should be smooth.
Yeah, sticky. Just sticky.
Okay.
Yeah, so the next step,
What is the function of the baking powder?
it helps in raising the cake.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raising
Any
the
other
flour.
question?
I don't have a question. I just want to eat.
Okay, so as you wait to input the cupcakes, the queen cakes peppers, you preheat your oven. Remember, while baking, it's very necessary to preheat your oven. So as Maureen inputs the peppers one by one,
It's okay.
just take your
I'm
time.
usually impatient.
There are so many.
There are
Those
so
are
many.
3. There
Okay.
are 4. Take your time. Just one. Ensure you just input one.
Okay.
Yeah.
We are learning this thing. Okay.
Let me preheat my oven. So you can see my oven is on.
At how many degrees?
Mine is at 150 to 200 degrees.
You guys can see.
150 to 200.
So what's the purpose of the middle knob?
This one, you bake cakes at the
Kizungu.
it uses the upper heat of the oven. Okay,
uh-huh.
so this is the upper heat, lower. If you want to bake meat, you use up and down.
Oh, it can also bake
You
roast
can
meat.
Bake meat someday,
Yeah.
right?
Roast meat.
Yeah, you can roast meat.
We are roasting it.
Yeah,
See
so
the
let the
Today.
oven preheat as we put the mixture.
So guys, if you need to be a baker, you need to invest in an oven
Yeah, sure.
and a hand mixer. That was a hand mixer.
Yeah,
Hand
that is
mixer.
a
Hand mixer.
How much does a hand mixer cost? This one.
Like 4,000 or 3,500.
What?
I knew you were inputting
But I know
so many papers. Let me just counter check. What? This one has so many.
What is wrong with putting even 5 of them?
It just needs one. Have you ever taken a quick with 3 papers down there?
Guy.
But
Yeah,
it
you're
wasn't
going to.
First time.
first time I know.
So what?
At least I tried.
You just take your time. You need to be
Let me
very.
try. Again, I'll put more.
You need to be very patient with cakes. So don't input so much, Maureen.
She knows me.
Just take your time. You can use 2 spoons like me.
I need a spoon.
You will wash them.
No, you will. This is small. Or I add.
Yeah, you add another one.
At least I learned something during lockdown.
With the mixture of the queen cake. So the next step, you're going to input it in the oven so that you can now start baking your cakes. I believe you're waiting for yummy cakes so that you can eat together. Make sure you have something to drink so that you can take the cake together, okay?
So for how long is it supposed to be in the oven?
So for queen cakes, it's 20 to 15 minutes.
And for cake?
For a full cake, like 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how? Okay, let's just wait. You just put them in and then.
Yeah, let me input the mixture in my oven. So you can see my oven is already preheated.
Can you put more than one space?
So I'm going to input my timer around 25 minutes. Then once they are well baked, it's going to queen cakes are ready. So let's see what we did, okay? You can see them.
Wow.
So beautiful.
Aww.
Yeah.
Nataka. Nakapo. Ona Maureen. Maureen anakaa wale watoto wenye kiletwa. Nataka.
Ationa mwe.
You can see
Hatuwezi test zikiwa hot.
We're just going to experiment if they can get out of this paper for a normal queen cake, okay? You can see how pretty they are, the color.
Like me.
Brown skin.
Color. So yummy.
You guys should all try this. How do you know check?
So I usually keep them like this to cool down faster so that the basement can cool down faster. So we can check with one. Let's pick one. You can just try if it's peeling itself so well.
Can I taste?
Oh, it's so hot.
Sorry.
So hot. You can try.
Hey, wale wa kukulanga karatasi ya queen cake. Who feels me? Maybe it's
So hot.
But ijapoa no money na stick.
yeah.
So
It's supposed to be cold. Then
you can see the paper is getting out.
you guys
so
will
well.
test on your behalf. I can't
Yeah,
wait.
you can taste.
I
You
can
can have a taste. Just give me the paper.
Tebu
I'm going to
nipatie.
the pepper.
Ndio kule. Yummy.
It's so sweet.
Unataka? Kukulangi vitu.
Kulangu.
Sweet queen cakes. You can see the paper. This is an evidence of a queen cake, okay?
When they're hot,
Guys.
kumbe unaweza kula tano.
Guys. What's it?
Yummy.
Up to this point.
A very sweet cake. You can also request for the queen cakes.
On
Delivery,
wholesale,
yeah,
right?
on wholesale shops. Okay, so promote us. Let's get to business.
If you want to talk to her, contact her on her Instagram. It's
Yeah.
marywanjiru. Yeah, she will always reply.
Guys. Oneni.
Hebu tumalize video.
Oneni.
Unataka kula zote.
Akintamu. Wow.
Wow. Anyone who wants to buy these cakes and test up to this point, thank you so much, guys, for watching up to this point. Thank you so much,
You're welcome.
and people should watch your content.
Imagine, guys,
Now,
if you didn't subscribe to my previous to my channel using the previous video that
I'm
maureenshany
sure
posted,
someone wants to see your face.
Well.
Okay, guys, I'll place the link down below of our previous video plus her link so that you support her.
Yeah.
Up to this point, bye bye.
Bye bye, guys.